DJI is preparing to launch a mirrorless camera. Yes, you heard that right. A bleeding-edge mirrorless camera to take on big giants like Sony, Nikon, and Canon. DJI is a brand synonymous with innovation in drone technology, consistently pushing boundaries with products like the highly anticipated DJI Neo. However, it's not just aerial photography where DJI is making waves. Over the years, the company has been quietly exploring other areas of imaging technology, and new rumors suggest it may soon launch its most ambitious product yet: a dedicated mirrorless camera. So what can we expect? The rumors, initially reported by Andrea Pizzini at Sony Alpha Rumors, indicate that two trusted sources have revealed DJI's plans to unveil something groundbreaking in September. While the specifics remain unclear, the consensus among these sources is that DJI's new product will be a mirrorless camera with interchangeable lenses. This development would position DJI as a serious competitor to the Japanese camera giants that currently dominate the market. Interestingly, DJI's ownership of Hasselblad, a manufacturer known for its premium medium format cameras like the Hasselblad X2D100C, adds further intrigue. A DJI-branded mirrorless camera could potentially blend Hasselblad's high-end imaging expertise with DJI's innovative engineering, offering something entirely unique. While the precise details, such as whether this camera will focus on video, photography, or both, remain speculative, there are several clues within DJI's existing product ecosystem. The company has already demonstrated a knack for combining advanced technology with user-friendly design across its Ronin, Pocket, and Hasselblad product lines. A foray into the mirrorless camera market seems like a natural progression, and it could bring significant benefits for amateur and semi-professional creators alike. The best cameras on the market today are undeniably powerful tools capable of producing stunning visuals. Yet, many still suffer from legacy issues that make them less intuitive for modern users. Complex menus, outdated connectivity options, and clunky workflows are common pain points. If DJI were to launch a mirrorless camera, it could address these shortcomings and set a new standard for usability and integration. One of the most notable areas where DJI could excel is in its user interface. Many of the leading mirrorless cameras, including models like the Sony A7C II, have made strides in improving menu systems. However, as seen in the Hasselblad X2D100C, there is still room for improvement. Hasselblad's minimalist Scandinavian design philosophy, which emphasizes clean and intuitive menus, has been widely praised. Incorporating a similar approach into a DJI mirrorless camera could make it far more approachable, especially for newcomers and hobbyists. Beyond menus, DJI could leverage its expertise in compact and intuitive designs. For example, the DJI Pocket 3, despite its small size, offers an interface that many users find more intuitive than larger, more complex cameras. This emphasis on simplicity and accessibility could make a DJI mirrorless camera particularly appealing to a broad audience. Bridging the gap between cameras and smartphones. One of the most frustrating aspects of many current cameras is their lackluster connectivity features. Despite the prevalence of smartphones, transferring photos from cameras to mobile devices often remains a slow and cumbersome process. DJI, however, is well-positioned to change that. By incorporating advanced wireless technologies, the company could streamline the workflow for photographers and videographers alike. Take, for instance, the Leica SL3, which uses a combination of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi MIMO technology to transfer full-size DNG files to a smartphone in seconds. DJI could adopt a similar approach, offering seamless and fast transfers that eliminate the need for SD cards or external adapters. Moreover, DJI's experience with drones like the Mavic 3, which offers up to 1 terabyte of internal storage, suggests that it could include significant internal storage in its mirrorless cameras. This feature, while still rare in the camera world, would be a game-changer for creators who need quick and reliable access to their media. Another potential innovation could be the integration of ESIM technology. With an eSIM, photographers could back up their files wirelessly to cloud storage, providing peace of mind in case of data loss. Although DJI has primarily reserved such advanced connectivity features for its professional drone lineup, extending them to a consumer-focused mirrorless camera could redefine the industry standard. A significant advantage of many mirrorless cameras is their compatibility with a wide range of lenses. DJI has already demonstrated its ability to develop versatile lens systems with products like the Ronin 4D, which supports DJI's DL lenses alongside L-mount, E-mount, and M-mount glass. A DJI mirrorless camera with similar flexibility could appeal to photographers and videographers who already own extensive lens collections. By offering compatibility with third-party lenses, DJI could lower the barrier to entry for new users and provide seasoned professionals with more options. Moreover, if DJI were to develop its own line of high-quality, affordable lenses, it could further strengthen its position in the market. The company's history of competitive pricing in its drone lineup suggests that it could bring similar value to the mirrorless camera space, challenging the high costs associated with many existing systems. While the idea of a DJI mirrorless camera is exciting, there are a few challenges and uncertainties to consider. For one, the rumors originate from sources outside DJI, specifically from insiders within Japanese camera manufacturers. This makes it difficult to verify the accuracy of the claims. Additionally, there have been no concrete leaks about the specific features or capabilities of the rumored product. Another potential hurdle is the highly competitive nature of the camera market. Established players like Sony, Canon, and Nikon have decades of experience and loyal customer bases. Breaking into this market would require DJI to offer something truly revolutionary, not just incremental improvements. Finally, while features like internal storage and eSIM technology are enticing, they may be cost-prohibitive for a consumer-level product. DJI would need to strike a delicate balance between innovation and affordability to ensure widespread adoption. Despite these uncertainties, a DJI mirrorless camera has the potential to shake up the industry in meaningful ways. By leveraging its expertise in design, connectivity, and engineering, DJI could create a product that addresses many of the pain points users currently face. Whether it's simplified menus, seamless wireless transfers, or versatile lens compatibility, the possibilities are intriguing. As we await further details, one thing is clear: DJI's entry into the mirrorless camera market could mark a turning point for the industry. By challenging the status quo and introducing fresh ideas, the company could set new standards for what modern cameras can achieve. If the rumors are true, September could be an exciting month for photography enthusiasts and professionals alike.